Yo, I'm Caesar, the cosplaying VTuber, and I'm here to show you some tips and tricks for cosplay. Ethylene vinyl acetate, or as it's better referred to as E.V.A. foam, is a foam compound that's used for making a variety of cosplays. It can be cut and shaped in any way you please. It comes in a wide range of thicknesses and two density types, low density and high density foam. Low density is used for making intricate details and generally small accessories, while high density foam is used for making big props and armor. For example, I've used high density foam to make the base of an armor, and later came back with low density foam to make small intricate details. The only limit to what you can do with E.V.A. foam is your imagination and your budget. That's all for now. I'll see y'all in the next one. Later, cosplayers!